Tons of stuff going on. Look how red I am. Whoop. Things that I'd like to mention. I'm a little bit tired today, and if you're at a skipping rope, would you say that 1 is first and 7 is last? Why? Because 5 is the middle. Is 5 the middle of your body? Or is it 3 the middle of everything? If 3 was the middle of everything, then it would be 3 and 4. 4 is the middle of 7. No longer 3. 3 is the middle of 5. 4 is the middle of 7. 4 and 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 and 9, you skip the rope. You are in the center. You are no longer holding 1. You're actually holding 10. This one is 7. This one is 10. In between is 8 and 9. 1 always goes to the center. In order to get the rope to each side, you have to hold 10. You hold 10 and 7. Step number 1. Step number 2, the rib of Adam. What were the ribs of Adam? And did they come in 7s? 5 and 2? 2 is 1 and 1. 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, Fibonacci. 21, 26, 29, 31, 32, 33. The beginning of the Fibonacci code. The same way we can count binary. Skipping the rope, take away 1 and 7. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 1 and 7, 2 worlds, 2 sides in between. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the letter Z. 1 and 7, the letter Q. 17 and 26 are presented on the 1 number on the debit machines. 17 and 26, 1 and 7. Inside of that is 2 and 6. Z and Q, both are 88. Second scenario is the piano. Between B and C in the piano, there is no black key. Between E and F in the piano, there is no black key. 2 times 3 equals 6F. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 and 3 equals 5. 5 and 6 equals 11. Total equals 16. 1 and 6, and everything you need to know. Raphael, understanding the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Demos. Christmas, how about Demos? The T and the D are always transmitted between each other. It's 8T or 8D. Another understanding, we're going to come in here and we're going to look at the word 1, 2, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to a total of 10. Equals to a total of 10. Here's your 10. You have to leave somewhere to get somewhere to have your 1 total. When you have 1, you have 1 and all the point numbers all the way up to the next number 2. So you must start at 0. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the totality to get your 0. When you add 1, 2, 3, 4, it becomes 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 becomes code 10, 4. This code over here, 121, is 1111. The M letter is the 13th letter. This would say Obama. 1111 is 121, 61, 21. The single living spirit moon from the Saturn moons, Obama. Totality 1664 equals to 80, 86 equals the mind of the cat connected in Obama. We're going to go to this section over here, where what happens with 2 zeros? This becomes the vesica right over here, inside here and inside here. What is the I? The I and the H is the division of the 2 worlds and the connecting of the 2 worlds. Here is your Magen David, connecting one side to the other side. Should we do this together as of now? We are going to take this and we're going to add it. Now the question is, do I add it from up here or do I run the point of the star over here and the point of the star over here? Now we run it in. Now we run it in. We run it in. See the way it becomes halfway? Becomes halfway. Halfway. And then we run it halfway. And now we have one side. See the way we're running into here? I didn't do it on both sides. And into here. A, B, and this one over here. This one over here is A, B, C. 3 levels, 3 levels, 3 levels. A and I. This is your Star of David. It's like a car. Now I can't complete this. I don't know where I want to go with this next. If you want to see this, this is the O and the X together. It looks like 4 X's, 10, 10, 10, and 10, creates 10 in the center, the 50 stars, and the 50 stars equals 100. These two link together. They're actually, in reality, 8, 4, 2, and 6, and 1, 3, 7, and 9 equaling to 20, 20. The spot in the center, which is the 5 key, which you pass over it 1 time, 2 times, equals to your 50 and 50, equaling to your 100, or 40, 40 equal to your 80 of the mind in Obama. This word means more than it does. OBM equals to the 13th letter, 1 and 3, 1, 2, 1, because the third letter, the third number in the cube, this 3 is actually 1 and 2 created to make this one over here. That's how this set comes up. The 6 is 4 corners. 4 corners. The only difference with the 6 is we have an in-between. That's why we have the 6. 60 joins 80. Within time, we join the 20. Where is this 20? It's right here. It's this part over here. It's the ring around 5, which is the ring around the moon. Whatever it does, okay, that is up to you. I'm not going to go into what 3 is. 3 is 1/4 of 12. 12 is A and B. 24 is running of 2 clocks, not of 1 clock. We live the center and the right, which is 18. The 18 months of the Mayan calendar, 1.5. The total days is 20, 10 and 10. It is not 30 days, 10, 10, and 10. It's 20 days. 20 days, 2 sections, 2 separate sections. We don't need the center over here. We don't need the 31, the AM that comes inside of here. The other thing we're going to do together is the V letter. What the V does, the V is one side. This is the other side. The V is the K letter. There is 2 parts of the letter. There is the inside and the outside. If I take this over here, there's this side going straight, and there's this side going straight. Then there's this side going straight, and there's this side going straight. We have all 4. Then we go up the height and down. Then we go up and down, up and down, up and down. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How we find all directions of 10. 10 is the complete line. Why do we need 10? We need above and we need below. V is the 22nd letter. Why do we get 44 with V and V? Because here's your V inside V. 44 for life. You put them together and you create the M letter. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Where else am I going to go in here? I'm not going to do this. Okay, this one over here, what this one is over here, is we connect 2 and 4 and 6 and 8. We connect 2 and 4, we connect 6 and 8. We connect 2 and 4, 6 and 8, and we put this is in a corner. 7 is in a corner. 3 is in a corner, and the 9 and 1 are the caps of each block. There's a block here, and there's a block here. Here's your 8, here's your O, and here's your 8. 808 bicycle cards. This is the reason. You have to pull in the sides. We're not playing this. These are on the outside blocks. Now, I can't explain the whole thing. I just know what the diagram picture shows me. It shows me that Magen David star again. This is holding 2 systems apart and then running through the core, supplying the energy for one side, applying the energy for the other side. If you want to take a complete look at this core, okay, I'm just going to go up like this, and I'm going to show you and here's the devil's tail, or Neptune, that services 2 areas. But normally I take this and I put it through here, and I put one through here, and I put this as the roof, connecting the energy to 2 sides. The other thing I wanted to mention is what we can do with 3C03, 1, 2, 2, 1. The total is 36, creation. 0 equals 60, 96, rotation of creation. 96 minus 2 and 1, father, mother. 1 and 2, why 96? 6 and 1, 9 minus 2 equals 77. 6 and 4, 9 and 1 equals 10, 10. 6 and 7, 9 and 4 equals to the 13 world. The Obama, the mind. Reverse it, we get 63 and 6, 69, same rotation. Inside of 1, remember that once you get 1, it's all about 1. It's 1, it's 2, and it's 3. It's back home again. 1 to here is 2, and back home is 3. 2 is in between 1. 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 in between. Here is your 1, 0, 1, 10, and 19. 30 is creation, creates 36. 30 and 60 is 90. And 6 equals to 96. 96 rotation, the same as 3. 10, 11. The only one, the only number in ABC that goes above 100 is the reverse of 1, which is now J. J-A, ja, is the reverse. It completely reverses. A and J reverse each other. And this over here, the S letter, is now the spirit letter, artificial intelligence. 102 is blackjack, becomes 162. 9 days. 162 is also part of 210, and it's the how can I explain this? It's 012. 012 is 3 areas equal to 6. 0 will now equal 6. 012, 1, 2, 3 areas, 012, 012, 1, 2, 3 equals to 6. 0 now equals 6 because it's the totality. 6, 66, 66, 76, 91, 101, 102. 102 plus 6 makes 168. Those are the hours in the week. 66 and 102 become 168. The hours in the week, like I just mentioned. 168, 264. 264 has something to do with video reduction. I'm not exactly sure how it comes in, but this would be 096 if I would be redoing it, and then I'd have to have 168. This would be a total of 5. This would be 15, 6. This would be a total of 265 and 8. This would be 865, the heaven of Alpha Beta, 1 and 2. Why is it 1 and 2? Because 6 and 5 is just like 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 6 and 5 equals 77, the 7th gate, regardless of which way you go. 168, 162, sorry, 162. This one over here with the basic, 162 with 36 equals 198. 198 is exactly the same as this number, flipped upside down. 89 shows you that you're in the middle of the skipping rope from the page before. This is B and D. I do B and D because the T and the D is 4T and 4T. We don't know which one. It's a sound that goes together. DMV equals 39, equaling to the sky. Plus 60, because of the 04, equals to 99. Jupiter is in the sky. Jupiter, Saturn. We reverse it. 40, 31, 22. 22 stays the same, just like 11 stays the same. So K and V stay the same of each other reversed. 22 and 44, 66. 0, 0. 93 equals to Saturn. Plus 6 equals to 99 equals Jupiter, Saturn. 9 and 3 equals to 12, 12, the 2 clocks, the total 132, the doorway. The AC energy, the AC doorway. This is 0 because it all fits in 1. It's a circle. It's a circle. It's the 4 corners of the circle, and it's the passage in between. It's the halfway mark. It's the halfway mark. What is the total of 0? Minus and minus. Hot dog, 40. B, 0, 2, 1, 1, 20 equals 33. 2 sides, because you can't get it in one side. You only have one of these. If you actually want to see what the value is 4 is, this would be the value of 4. 1 creates 4. Why should I hold up this? I hold up 3. I can hold up 2. I can hold up 1. Well, why should I do this? Why not just do this? Isn't this what the thumb is, to pick me up? This is the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Universe, right? Wouldn't you not need 4? It means our sun, O-U-R, our, 4, O-U-R, our 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 4 is 10. Anyways, that's irrelevant to the fact. This is 33, and 6 becomes 36, and 60. becomes 96. 20, 31, 33 becomes 93. The sky of Saturn, 93, 39. The sky of Saturn. You reverse it, we get 33 and 33. The creation of the Christ, the creation of the two worlds. So these two worlds, 0, 2 becomes 6. 1 and 1 becomes 24, the 9 lives of the cat. 22 and 20 becomes 42. Plus 6 becomes 48. And that's area, space, dimension between these two. These two must come together. Anyways, the other thing is, if you want to see a whole, we bring this, 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 and this. What is this? This is this corner over here, this whole group here, this whole group here, this whole group here, this whole group here. I just bring one corner. I lock all the 4 worlds together. Here's my lock. I lock it in here, and I connect them together, and I get 10, 10 in all the worlds. Now, this is a counter. How do we count this? The yin and the yang, the baseball. The baseball strings go all around the world. You ever see the strings? They go all around the ball. What does that mean to you? Then this one over here, this is a special count. I'm not sure how this counts. There's an Asian way to count this, and I don't know what it is, but this is an answer, and you can see inside it's 88, 88, 88, 88, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8, and 8, 0 in the center. Now the question is, what is this answer? There's an answer to this. There's some mathematical thing that has the answer to this. What is this? This is your tic-tac-toe lines in between and the outside of your dimensions. That would be the size. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. I don't think deemed this is my best video, but I'm just emptying out my day, and thank you for watching.